doing a hair review on this hair that's in my head. 36. Oh my god. Okay, y'all, so this hair in my head is synthetic hair. Yes, it's synthetic hair, y'all, and it's 36 inches long. Like I tried to show y'all. I'm probably gonna try to show y'all some more videos at the end if I make a snap or something. But yeah, it's 36 inches long and it's synthetic hair. Okay, so let's get into this review. That's why you clicked on the video. It's a review. You're probably wondering about maintenance. You probably wondering about color, how to match it with your hair, and all of that. So let's get straight into it. So for starters, I want to say that I ended up using 4 bundles, and literally my hair feel like a shield because I put them track to track. Like I literally barely got any gaps in between my tracks. I'm pretty sure if you got 3 bundles, only that could do your whole head. If you like space out your tracks more, like it really depends on me. Sometimes I space them out. Like if I buy hair that's only got 3 bundles in there and they say it's supposed to cover up your hair, I usually only use 3 bundles, and if I get to the top and run out, I just pull tracks at the back, or I just start off doing gaps in my head to begin with, so that don't really be an issue later when I get to the top of my head. But with this one, I did track for track because I'm just naturally thinking, oh, since it's 36 inches, I want a head full of hair. But I'm telling y'all, 3 packs will do it. I just ended up using 4 packs. Like literally all I had was the slightest little track left over. Then I used 2 36 inches, and then I used 2 24 inches. And the reason y'all might be thinking, why she go from 36 to 24 inches? Like, why she ain't goes to like 28 or something? The thing is, when I went to my beauty supply, they did not have all the hair. They literally don't be having nothing in there. I was going to a concert the next day, so I'm like, let me just work with what I got. And plus, I'm somebody who know how to cut layers anyway. Well, in my head, I know to shape my hair, I know how to cut layers, so I knew it probably wasn't going to be that big of a deal. And plus, I like my hair to get shorter as it get to the top anyways. So, I will say, we talking about maintenance. A lot of people I see be like complaining about keeping up with their hair. And oh wait, before I say maintenance, I'm about to show y'all. This is what it is. It's Breezy Wave. And this is the brand or whatever. So y'all know, I will link it down below. Yeah, so back into maintenance. I will say, I always hear people complain like about synthetic hair. It's hard to maintain, or they say you can only wear it for 3 days. Y'all, that is not true. If you somebody who know how to work with synthetic hair, like actually work with it, your hair will last. I'm not gonna lie, me before, I have had synthetic hair literally in my head for probably even to 2 or 3 months. I didn't have like synthetic hair that literally I had it for that long. And that's because it's really just with maintenance. Nowadays, I don't wear synthetic hair a lot. Who doesn't just prefer human hair? I've almost had this hair in my hair for literally a week now. It's about to be officially a week. And for it to be dang near almost 40 inches, the hair is lasting. The hair is doing what it needs to be doing, and I feel like low-key this hair could last for a while. If your synthetic hair is not lasting your hair, it's really got to be something you're doing, because literally I work out, I barely even take care of my hair. I don't even take care of my real hair. If y'all saw previous videos by me, y'all know I hate to do hair. So literally I will go without touching my hair for days, not doing anything to it. Human hair, synthetic hair, my real hair. So it's like, literally, I feel like if you complaining about it, I don't know what to tell you, because it's really not that hard. I literally go to sleep. With my old synthetic hair, I used to just put my hair in a bun, like so serious, at the back of my head, put a bandana on and go to sleep. Like I don't wear no hair cap or nothing. I put a bandana on and I go to sleep just because I like to keep hair on my face. But I didn't have no satin pillowcases and none of that, and I do that. But now, I will say, it just depends. I've been wearing my bandana lately. I like to wear that with quick weaves for some reason. But since this hair is so long, a bun would irritate my soul. I literally put my hair in a braid And then maintenance for sleep and stuff, I sleep crazy. So it's not a lot I'm doing. So I'm about to show y'all the wig shine that I use. Okay, so this is the wig shine that I use. I may or may not link this below because I feel like you should just be able to find it. But I use a wig shine, and I literally put some on my hand and brush it through my hair. And it literally works like how water works for deep wave. And you literally, after that, treat like how you do deep wave. Brush it from the tips to the roots. And after that, your hair will literally be revived. Sometimes, I will not say all the time, depending on how synthetic the hair is, I might go in with a slight spray. It got to be in, like, do this in my hand and do that and rub it through. I literally only do that when my hair is getting really bad. And then when it comes to blending my hair, I might make a whole separate video on that. But just to give y'all some tips in this video, I will say if you want your real hair to match the crimps in these hair, you might have to get a crimper. But if you can't afford that, you could low-key just use a flat iron and literally use it like a crimper. Like, literally, that's why I said I'm gonna make a video about this one day. For my leave out, I would go like in like that, hold it, then go out like that, hold it, in like that, and I'm literally crimping it myself with a flat iron. What's another thing I want to say about this hair? Oh, let's talk about the color. Usually my hair is a 1B, but I wanted to do jet black. Like, my real hair is probably like an off black with a slight brownish tint under. But I wanted my hair to be jet black. So before I installed the hair, I dyed my hair black, like deep black, jet black. I was thinking about next time I should do like a blue black, so like the undertone be blue. But this time I did a jet black, and literally this hair I got, it was a straight up one. The hair literally matched. But if you have a problem with figuring out which hair match your hair, because you might just be used to human hair, you probably not used to blending your hair with synthetics and all of that. So if you really have a problem, literally at the beauty supply or whatever, you can literally wear your real hair out or whatever when you go and compare your hair. Like, hold the light on your flash or whatever you need to do to really get your hair color, because you don't want to have your hair done and then your hair don't be blending, you know. So y'all should make sure y'all put your hair in the flash. Don't just look at it and say, okay, just go with this. Put your hair in light, because when you touch on Walmart lights, on mall lights, that's when your hair gonna really show is her hair blending. So think of it like that. Make sure you had a best lighting you could possibly do. And yeah, y'all, so that's all my tips. This is my 30 inches of fun. Ooh. I'm trying to show y'all again as best as I can before I go. So y'all should cop this hair. And yeah, y'all, stay pretty, stay blessed, stay kind, stay a little bit ratchet just in case they get ugly. Have a beautiful day, y'all. Bye. Not me trying to get all the angles. Oh, is this the angle for y'all? Let me make sure my ain't showing. I just want somebody. Okay, let's pull the hair to the front.